Coloring your hair can be the most exciting thing, but no one ever really talks about the journey to breakage. If you know me, then you know I've had long hair pretty much my whole life. But during my ginger era, breakage actually came to ruin my life. After getting braids and going on vacations countless times, and straightening my hair for weddings, more vacations, and length checks, my hair kept getting shorter and shorter and shorter until we finally had to cut it off and start fresh. Now we are on the road to recovery to growing long, healthy hair. And growing long, healthy hair actually starts with your hair care routine. So shout out to Garnier Fructis for sending me their new 5-step hair filler plus hyaluronic acid moisture repair system. Step 1 is your pre-poo treatment. Now this bonding inner fiber repair treatment actually penetrates deep to the cortex to restore broken hair bonds when left on for 5 minutes. Now step 2 is their moisture repair shampoo system. This shampoo contains no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens, and doesn't leave my hair feeling extra dry after cleansing. Remember, if you're not getting a lather during your wash, your hair is not clean. Now let's add some hydration back into the mix. Step 3 is their moisture repair conditioner. Now this product is thick, but I truly enjoy a thick conditioner because I know my hair will be hydrated and protected from any dryness that comes my way. And did I mention that all of these products have hyaluronic acid in them? Look how juicy my curls are. Step 4 is their moisture repair serum. Now what hair care line do you know has a serum? Because I love a good serum. This is like drinking a glass of water but for your hair, and it leaves my hair feeling 15 times more moisturized. Step 5 is their moisture gel cream. This helps lock in moisture and controls my frizz throughout the day. Now can we get into how shiny, juicy, and hydrated my curls look? I honestly feel more confident knowing that I'm 5 steps closer to long, healthy hair again.